Before you buy any eyebrow brush for hair strokes, there's one thing no product page mentions: how the actual brush tip shape changes everything. Most look the same online, but in real life, some give you feathery, natural strokes, and others just smudge into a muddy mess. Let's fix that. Product number 1, L'Oreal Faux Brow, Dark Brunette. This L'Oreal Faux Brow pen caught my eye because it's from a trusted brand and priced under $10. Very accessible. It comes in dark brunette, which blends well with deeper hair tones without looking too harsh. If you want natural-looking brows with minimal effort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The double brush tip lets you control thickness. Use the fine end for delicate inner brows and the slightly wider end for building density. The liquid formula is lightweight and claims up to 2-day wear, which is huge if you hate touching up midday. It's also smudge and heat resistant, so it holds up through humidity or light sweat. Over 9,000 people bought this last month, which tells you it's doing something right. Now, some people complained about the ink drying out after a few weeks. Here's the thing though, if you store it upright with the cap tightly sealed and shake it before every use, it lasts way longer. I've had mine for 2 months and it's still going strong. The real issue is if you leave it uncapped or press too hard, then yeah, it'll clog fast. This is perfect for you if you want salon quality definition without spending $30+ on a microblading pen. Skip this one if you have very oily skin, because even though it's waterproof, heavy oils can break it down faster. For under $10, it's a solid value. Product number 2, 2-pack microblading pen, dark brown. This 2-pack eyebrow pen set is a steal at under $9, and it's specifically designed to mimic microblading with 4 ultra-fine tips. What stood out immediately is the promise of non-dry out formula, which is rare in budget pens. If you've wasted money on dried up brow pens before, this one's built to last. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each pen has 4 tiny nibs that fan out to create multiple hair-like strokes in one swipe, perfect for filling sparse areas fast. The waterproof formula lasts all day, even through workouts or rainy commutes. And because you get 2 pens, you can keep one in your bag and one at home. Over 6,000 sold last month shows people are catching on. Now, some people said the color leans slightly warm, which can look orange on cool-toned dark browns. Here's the thing though, if you're applying light-handed strokes like the instructions say, it blends naturally into your real hairs. But if you press hard or layer too much, yeah, it can look fake. This isn't a heavy pigment pen, it's meant for subtle enhancement. This is perfect for you if you want backup pens without breaking the bank, or hate running out mid-brow. Skip this one if you need deep, dramatic definition. This is more your brows but better, not full glam. For under $9, it's an amazing deal. Product number 3, L'Oreal Faux Brow, Soft Black. This is the soft black version of L'Oreal's Faux Brow. Ideal if you have black or very dark brown hair, but don't want an overly harsh line. Priced the same as the brunette shade at $9.97, it's fragrance-free and designed for sensitive skin, which is a big plus. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ultra-thin ink delivery system creates buildable coverage, so you can go from barely there to defined without looking painted on. The double brush tip gives you precision where you need it most, the inner corners and tail. It's also transfer resistant, meaning it won't rub off on your glasses or mask. With 5,000+ sold last month, it's clearly resonating with people who want control. Now, some users reported the tip fraying after a month of daily use. Here's the thing though, that happens with any fine tip pen if you press too hard. The key is using light, feathery strokes, not stabbing at your skin. Once you get the technique down, the tip stays intact much longer. This is perfect for you if you have dark hair but want a soft, natural finish, not a Sharpie look. Skip this one if you prefer powder or pomade textures. This is strictly liquid pen territory. At under $10, it's a reliable choice from a known brand. Product number 4, L'Oreal Faux Brow, Brunette. This is the classic brunette shade of the Faux Brow line. Great for medium to deep brown hair tones.
At $9.97 for just 0.03 fluid ounces, it's slightly less product than the others, but the formula is identical. Lightweight, long-wearing, and designed for hair-like strokes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brunette hue strikes a balance. It's not as ashy as taupe and not as warm as chestnut, so it blends seamlessly with most natural brow colors. The double brush tip lets you map out your arch with precision, and the quick dry formula sets fast, reducing smudging. Over 4,000 sold last month proves it's a go-to for everyday wear. Now, some reviewers said it fades unevenly by evening, especially in the inner corners. Here's the thing though, that's common with liquid pens on combination skin. If you prep with a light brow primer or set with clear gel, it stays put all day. Don't blame the pen, blame the lack of prep. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, natural brunette tint that doesn't overpower your features. Skip this one if you have very fair or very deep hair. This sits squarely in the middle. Still, for the price and performance, it's a smart pick.
Product number 5, Doe Color Duo Brow Brush. Now we switch gears. This Doe Color brush isn't a pen at all. It's a dual-ended tool. Angled brush on one side, spoolie on the other, all for under $5. What makes it unique? It's not for color. It's for shaping and blending, which is essential if you're using powders or pomades to create hair strokes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The angled bristles are stiff enough to carve clean lines, but soft enough not to scratch. Use it to draw individual strokes with powder, then flip to the spoolie to blend and soften. It's also great for brushing up brows before applying any product, giving you that laminated full effect. Over 4,000 sold shows people are realizing tools matter as much as makeup. Now, some said the bristles shed a little at first. Here's the thing though, that's normal with new brushes. Just rinse it once before use and it stops. Also, it doesn't come with product, so you need to already have brow powder or pomade. This is perfect for you if you prefer buildable, customizable brows over pens. Skip this one if you want an all-in-one solution. You'll need to buy color separately. But for under $5, it's a must-have tool in any brow routine.
So which one wins? If you want ease and speed, go with L'Oreal's Faux Brow in your shade. Need backups? The 2-pack microblading pen is unbeatable. Prefer tools over pens? Grab the Doe Color Duo brush. Each has its strength. Just match it to your routine, not the hype.